What's going on, everyone? So just as I was about to start the video and I came outside, FedEx showed up and they delivered one of many packages that I've been ordering in the past week. And one box already came in, but it was just the gaskets. This one has a few more metal pieces to it. Ooh, more gaskets. Set that over there. What's this? Ooh. Oh, that's the oil pump. Some of you guys are just following the channel to follow it. I think you already know what these parts are for. Ooh. Hee hee hee. Yep, finally ordered all the parts for the Ranger. This will be a whole other video though. So, what it looks like. Yeah, I ended up getting like a whole kit, so it came with everything, piston rings. Yeah, we'll save this for the Ranger video. Anyways, today's video, I'll repack that, are my front struts. Okay, rewind. I don't know where I'm cutting this in, but I have videos of installing the front struts. So this is going to be the 4-wheel drive actuator install, because everything I have to do for the actuator is going to lead me to doing the strut anyways. So I'm going to throw like the review of the strut in here, the initial review, but otherwise this is the install video for the actuator. A lot of talking, I know. We're just going to get into it, but basically this nut, this nut, this nut, we need to loosen this whole front assembly, undo the axle nut to remove the axle and get to the actuator. Let me just get into it and start removing things so then we can put on the new actuator, because my actuator, even though I mentioned my strut blew out, the actuators have been bad for probably a year now and I've just been driving on them. 4-wheel drive still works, it engages, disengages, but you can hear a hum to the wheel, and I don't think it's my wheel bearings because they're still very solid. So let me get into it. I gotta pull this pin, pull this nut, pull this cotter pin, pull that nut, pull that nut. All right, I'm gonna get into it. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that angle. You guys are really getting all up in there. So we gotta remove the vacuum line here. Put that up out of the way. 8 mils here. Got this one. Got this one. A little rusty. Okay. Can we just hold it? Huh. Still seems like it was functioning, but huh. So they weren't too bad yet, but this is got a little burning on it. I'm gonna get a bunch cord to hold this so it's not sitting on the ABS cable. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this one still works, but I don't know about the other side. See? So if I push it in, hold down these, see how it releases? I don't know. Might as well replace them, see if that was the noise. Alright, I'm gonna set this more or less on the side so then I can take off the strut now. So let me get the strut out of the way, put the new one in, and then we're gonna clean up all this, get all that debris, all the old grease out, put all new grease, and then put it back together. This was the bad one. The other side was still good. This one's the garbage one. So, wait a second. Oh, part of the four-wheel drive actuator was still inside there. That's cool. No wonder it was broken. So I technically didn't have four-wheel drive. Huh, that's funny. Or it was always locked in four, I don't even know. Anyways. Alright, so just got everything greased up. So you're gonna slide the new actuator on. Get the axle. I mean, that will do. So I don't know where the camera cut off, but apparently the battery died. So anyways, got everything reconnected, double checked everything, put the cotter pins in Loctite where we needed it. These bolts are in up here, or nuts are in up here for the struts. But yes, it is engaged. The axle is spinning with it, so if we were to start the truck, it would pull vacuum, it would disengage. But I'm gonna go do the other side now. All right, so it is the next day because when I was doing the CV axle, the seal busted when I ripped it out. The CV axle, the seal for the differential slash axle, broke on me. Had to track it down. Finally tracked one down, or was able to find the right part because most parts stores don't have it. Go check out that video. Or please check out that video if you ever have to do your CV axle. So 4x4 actuators are in both sides. As you can see, we got the new one over here, and we got the new one on this side with a brand new CV axle and the strut. But I'm gonna go put the wheels on, take this bad boy for a test rip or test drive, see how the actuators, and if I still have that humming slash grind. It wasn't really grinding, it was more of a hum, but it basically like if you had mud tires. It sounded like you had mud tires on the truck. So gonna go take it for a test drive, and I will see you guys in the truck. It's quiet, the CV axle isn't creaking. I'm not hearing any whirring or moaning or whatever, which is good. And the suspension feels good again, not all bah. So far I'm not hearing any noises from the actuators, so it definitely was not the wheel bearing hubs. It was the four-wheel drive actuators. Yeah. Me likey. I'm happy. road noise. Yeah, there was a distinctive noise between road noise of the tires and the road to the actuator. From, like, you can clearly tell that something was wrong with the driveline. Oh yeah, that's smooth. I wonder if I'm going to get better fuel mileage now, because I think with the actuator being broken, it would be stuck in 4-wheel drive. But the thing was, even when I would put in 4-wheel drive, it would go into 4-wheel drive, and then when I was in 2-wheel, it would still be in 2-wheel. But there were times where I felt like it was locking in, but it wasn't fully in 4-wheel drive because the transfer case wasn't connected. So the transfer case was still in 2-wheel drive, but the front hubs I could feel were catching. So I think it was that front one that was broken, which is nice. So yeah, we'll see if my fuel mileage gets better, but otherwise I'm very happy with the actuators. I'm glad that there was distinctly a broken part that I was like, oh yeah, I'm glad I'm replacing these. I'm not just spending the money and the time to do it. But yeah, I'm happy with this. All right, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.